How's it, guys? It's Willie Luke here again at the rebuild of Sick Puppy. As you can see, I got the frame and swing arm back up again because I kind of messed up. As you can see over here, I kind of broke through the primer, unfortunately, when I was giving this thing a wet sand because I had a bit of overspray on it. There's a few areas here, same on the frame as well. There's a few spots in here that I kind of just messed up on. So fortunately, I got to give it another coat to seal it back up again. Hopefully, I don't have to spray primer again. Holding thumbs. I've already done the mixture on this, the 4:1 ratio as stated in the previous video. So hopefully, I don't have to go through this bloody mess again. Also, the thing I forgot to do on the previous episode, that's why my spray was so blotchy, if you guys remember. And I forgot to use one of these little fantastic strainers. I ordered so many of them, but I forgot to use it, of course. So let's dump some in here. I'm not going to dump all of this, because just in case I run out, or not run out, but need more, I can always just add in. So I'm going to try and do the cages as well. Just give another coat to the cages if they need. That's 10 times better. It's a liquid. It's not a fucking goopy mess. It helps. A big shout out to Anthony for making me my lovely little spray gun holder. Works like a charm. Right, mask it up. Need one of those as well. I don't want to get fucking high again like I did the last time. Even though I probably am. Wouldn't be surprised. I really wouldn't be surprised. But, right, let's do this. Pop this on. Right, let's try this. Fucking hell. Again, sorry for the muffled voice, but as you know, gotta have the mask on. Me like you, that setting actually. So, let me do the swing arm first. Okay, right guys, so as you can see, everything's been primed up again, everything's ready to go. Now it's time for first coat of black. I'm just going to do a fume coat, nothing too hectic. It's more just mainly for me to catch all the main areas that need paint, and then obviously just so something that the paint has place to stick to, because I'm going to do this black first, then let it flash off for about 10-15 minutes, and then I'll start hitting it with layer upon layer. So time for mixing. So just like the primer that we did, this one is a ratio of it doesn't say. Here it is. 2-part trans bait component to 1-part translucent hardener by volume. So 2:1. Dope. Just like before. See, I've got to add my thinners. So the ratio is 2:1. So it's sitting there. There. And some hardener. Like usual. Pull that off. I think I'm going to go 20%. There we go. Right, I'm going to too much hardener because I don't want it to start setting in the gun, because that'll be a problem. Mix it up like always. Make sure you mix it nicely. You get all the color in. And I need to get my sieve again, because I definitely don't want blotches in this. Now once again guys, big shout out to Cape Order Paints for hooking me up, because I had to order some more stock, because again, as you saw in the start of the video, I messed up with primer, so I was like, well, let me order some more primer and some more thinners. So I thought I'd rather have too much than run out. Let's be honest with ourselves here, eh? So big shout out to them again. And also big shout out to Build It, because I had to go there to get some sandpaper this morning, because I still need to prep my rims, sand them down, get them ready. As you can see, this one's all sanded up, and I still need to do the rear, which is going to be fun because all the nicks and chips in it. But yeah, it has to be done, because again, like I keep on saying, I don't want Sick Puppy to just be a stunt bike. She must be a show bike at the same time. Back at this again. Mix and mix and mix and mix and mix. Didn't mix it to the right way. Yeah, I did. 2 to 1. Okay. There we go. Put the cap back on. This cap. There's no contaminants that fall out, and did clogs on it again, because that was a nightmare. Now hopefully I can save that. And again, Monster, keep me hydrated, give me the energy and the drive to keep going. What? No, luckily they're not too bad. They are ready as well. How am I gonna do this? Clean this thing out properly tomorrow, or well, tomorrow, Monday, depending on when I spray. I'm just gonna clean it out. I need to clean up the gun, because that's very important. And then put it in the cleaner. I don't know if you noticed, guys, but I've got two different containers for the spray gun. One I keep purely for cleaning, so that I know when I put thinners into it to obviously clean it out, I know it's getting clean thinners through it. And with that, I think I am done for today. Frame is looking dope. A little bit worse for wear. I don't really see any grey blotches, which is great news. It's all black now, which is what it's supposed to be. Same with the swing arm. I don't see any grey blotches. All I see is black, which is again great news. I just know, like, for example, that piece is gonna go silver as soon as I install it, because that's obviously where the 3 caliper bracket mounts to. So, but it is what it is. It's not a train smash. At least now it looks nice, looks the part. So yeah, I think I'm gonna call it for today. I will carry on, however, like I said, either tomorrow or Monday, depending on how the weekend goes, because tomorrow is obviously Easter. But I'll keep you guys in the loop. So again, check you guys tomorrow. Sweet. How's it, guys? Back again. Day 2. Yeah, I started a little bit late because it is Easter after all, so we had a nice family lunch and all those fantastic things. So tonight I'm just focusing on doing some clear coat on the frame. As you can see, the frame's nice and dry and ready. So is the forks and the swing arm. Quite happy with the outcome of the swing arm and the forks and the frame. There's a few small issues here or there, but I'm not too phased by it, because again, it is hashtag stunt bike, so it is what it is, I guess. So yeah, now to the mixing time. So just like before, I'm using my trusty old mixing cups. Yeah, come on, lift. There we go. And pull. There we go. Okay, so I think I'm only gonna do, I think 200 mils. Should be enough. All right. And it is, as per the ratio, 2 to 1. As you can see there, 2 to 1. Automatic clear. So 2 to 1, 200 mils. Go. And thinners. Finish this bottle off.
Yep, your project.
Go. And then hardener. There we go. Alright, mix this bad boy up. Well, this stuff feels weird. Doesn't feel like the paint, I'll be honest. This definitely feels different to the paint, that's for sure. But the nice thing is it's clear. So at least I can see what I'm doing. Mix and mix and mix and mix and mix and mix. Okay, in the gun we go. Mask on, obviously. Safety first, guys. Safety first. Again, not the best mask for this, I'll be honest. But like I said in the first video, this is not a painting tutorial. This is me trying something new, so bear with it. The only thing that I'm worried about with it being clear coat, unlike your colors, when you spray it on, you can obviously see where you sprayed. With clear, I've got no idea, which is gonna be, it's gonna be fun. It's gonna be lots of fun. Alright, let's dump this in here. And again we go. I think. Try with that open today. Hopefully that fixes the issue that I had yesterday with the rough overspray. Because again, I don't know why the gun was spraying like that, but who knows? Who knows? Alright, let's do this. So I'm probably going to hit it with another layer tomorrow, just in case I missed anything, because I don't want to spray more on here because it's already thick as is. So yeah, let's see what she pans out tomorrow like, because I see there is some rough spots here or there. Hopefully I can sand that out and just fill it up with some clear. So far she's looking quite good, I guess. Oh shit, not a bad idea. Don't touch the articles, clearly. But yeah, let's wait until she bakes and then I'll see tomorrow what she looks like. But so far everything is looking good. Yeah, happy to try that. And what I do want to try though, so I want to try a little bit of that blue on the cage. Let me get that ready and then I'll cut back to that once I'm ready to mix and get that all ready. So I'll check you guys on now. Blue has been mixed. I want to try and see if I can de-spray the cage and the 12 bar with its first coat of blue. It's going to be quite a thick coat because this is like your base coat that I'm putting on now. So it's going to be a thick boy. Essentially this is what the rest of the color is going to stick to. So I want it nice and thick. Thicker the better, let's be honest. So yeah, I'm keen to see how this comes out, to be honest. Right, so there we go guys. Frame has been sprayed black. Did my first few coats of the blue. And I must say this is actually the blue that I was hoping for. It's the exact blue that I had, which is great. Obviously I need to add a few more coats because this is a very light coat, especially on this one. But I just wanted to get a light dusting on this and on the 12 bar itself. because again, there's the tester. That's pretty much almost identical, which is great. So yeah, guys, that's it for day 2 of part 2, I want to say. I'm gonna tidy up here and then call it a night. But I'll be up nice and early tomorrow to finish off here, and hopefully all the spray work will be done tomorrow. This on the agenda for tomorrow will be our wheels, get them done, get the side covers all sanded down and prepped and ready, and then tackle majority of this stuff. Luckily I'm not spraying the brake stuff, so that's thank goodness for that. I am going to be spraying the discs however, but I'm just going to be using normal aerosol, high heat aerosol paint for those. So again, that's also not a train smash. I do need to sort out those, sort out the side covers, but that's all small menial things. Engine mounts also. So again, it's all small stuff that needs to be done, but hopefully I should be able to crack it out tomorrow and get it done. But again, sweet guys, I'll check you tomorrow. Okay, so I kind of messed up now. I thought I was recording, but it was in photo mode, so I don't need to take a photo. But as you can see, prime is mixed, ready for the gun. Now I need to start priming. Yeah. Everything's been primed. Now I just gotta wait for this to cure, and then first layer of color goes on. Yay. Oh no, I've got to do another coat of primer, sorry. 2 coats of primer and then 4 coats of color. Yo, that's gonna be fun. But yeah, I'll see you guys shortly. Right, so blue's been mixed, metallic blue, the frame and the cages, or sorry, for the cages and the wheels. I've already done the first coat on the cage and 12 bar, so that I'll do the next when I do these coats after this. So let's get cracking. How's it, guys? Yeah, sorry that my video has got such an abrupt ending, but as you can see, frame's done. Reason for my abrupt ending is I had reactions on both these. Basically the paint lifted, which kind of upset me a bit, I'll be honest. And then the front and back wheel, as you can see, they look really nice, but I've got reactions on the front and the rear rim, where essentially the paint's pretty much not sticking, so it's lifting up. So I've got to sand it all down, reprime, respray, which kind of just put me off the mood a bit. So, but on the plus side, like I said, frame's done, cage is looking sick. It just needs a clear coat over it and then it'll be done. Swing arm's also done, thank goodness for that. So yeah, I'm getting there slowly but surely. So hopefully next part 3, I'll be finishing up with the spray work, and then start assembly. And also this week coming, I'll be getting Sick Puppy's new motor. So the motor will be here, and then I'll just have to put my ass into gear and get everything done. So again, if you guys like the video, please like it, subscribe, do all those fantastic things, and yeah, I'll definitely make sure that there's more content coming out in this year and obviously the foreseeable future. But sweet, again, peace.